Hi everyone, this is vk3 Kilo Tango Tango, or otherwise formerly known as vk3 Mike Echo Golf. I just got my dream radio, a Yaesu ftdx 5000 limited, or 5000 MP limited, 200 watts, 75 watts class A. Probably one of the legendary radios of our time. No one's done an unboxing video of these, so I thought I'd show you what you get. I also got the SM5000 station monitor unit, which also is the waterfall. And we'll come back to in further other adventures, other additions why I didn't get the 7610. Alright, quickly the unboxing. Alright, it was triple boxed or double boxed. This is just the outers. Alright, it's a virgin, it's never been opened before. Come over here. Camera person. This radio is from an era before unboxing videos. Really well packed, I found Yaesu stuff. Most of these are drop shipped. I picked mine up from my local hand dealer here in Australia.
Oh, it's another box.
Quickly hand. Yeah, there's another box. There's a box within a box within a box. This is what they call a Pandora's box. I'll put this down. The radio itself weighs 46 kilos. 46 pounds. Okay, so here is the top unit here. I'm not sure what this is, but we'll have a look in a second. I'm going to place this down on the ground. Then I'm going to pull out what we've all been waiting for. The corner protectors.
Ooh.
Have a look inside. So that box must have all the accessories inside. Okay. Now,
There's a black thing on top of it.
this is the radio. Let's transfer. Okay. Move the box away. Okay, right. The transistors at the back are pretty heavy. Still in the original wrapping. Voila.
Ooh, how long gonna stay shiny like that?
An ftdx 5000. Alright, this is the basics. Now we're going to try to get to the accessories. Put them on top. See what it looks like. We'll show the back of it after. Just run through the accessories. And this box wasn't very heavy anymore. Okay, the MH31 hand microphone, which is probably still one of the best hand microphones around. The Icon one's pretty good as well.
Yeah.
What do we have in here? Have a look. Okay, so this is my button. This is, I can't remember what model number it's called, but this is the Yaesu memory button for your memory for your CW contacts or for RIDI. So you need to actually send the CW and it records you can actually write it in for your menus. And that's the FH2 it's called. That does your memories for CW. I think it does 6 memories for each and for RIDI as well. You need to use the SCU17 for the digital modes because it's an old radio, but I already have one of them because I have an ftdx 1200. Alright, Power cable. This radio has its own built-in power supply, which is really good for a 200 watt radio. So I don't need to find a 50 amp power supply, which is very good. And very quickly pull that out. And there's your power cord, just a basic computer plug-in style. And there's a 3-pin, so you've definitely got an earth on there too. Very good. Last thing, have a look what's in here. I have no idea what it is. Ah, maybe another power cord for a different part of the world. Yep, there's another power cord for a different part of the world, not for Australia. It's okay. Keep it aside because these were exported internationally, and as I said, they were generally drop shipped. And here are some plugs for the rear plugs. For the rear, banana plugs and RCA plugs, so you can hook up your amplifiers and everything like that. And connectors for your CW key, because you need to use a large key, and there's 3.5 inch ones as well. 3.5 mil ones as well. Alright, put that all aside. Put my little switch aside. See what's in the mystery box under here. I have no idea. Ah, empty.
No bad.
So that was a surprise. Also, we have the Yaesu limited warranty card. In Australia, we get a 3-year warranty. The one thing that everyone's told me to do, what I get, is before you start operating this radio, read the book. So there's my limited warranty card, my Yaesu map, and the full book from the ftdx 5000. Pretty well. That's for the ftdx 5000. Now if you just hold on a second, I'll pop this over here.
No,
Actually, you know what? Just move back a little bit. And we'll unbox. The excitement's pretty awesome. So here we go. This is the SM5000 station monitor, which is basically the waterfall, all analog, predates computers. So you can have a waterfall separate, so you don't need to have a computer running all the time. Which to me actually suits my operating style, although I can use both. Very simple. Right. Here we go. They're the connecting cables for the SM5000. You can also hook up a an SDR plate with these. You get a waterfall on a computer, but I didn't want to have the additional sections to go into these are the connectors that go different ends. You get looks like 4 cables. Plus we have more stuff in here and more cables there. And it looks like I've got an RS232 connector there as well. So, I'll go there quickly so people can see this. Put my blade. Okay, I think there's a stand so you can stand it up upright there. Perfect, so when you're positioning it. Alright, got the manual underneath here, the station monitor and how to hook it all up. Very quick unboxing, plus we'll come quickly and have a look at the MD100 microphone. Oh yes, thank you. Here's the back of the, I'll show you, do a bit of photos of that later. And here it is, the station monitor there. Not much to see until it's powered up. So that provides a waterfall across the screen there, you've got all your different selectors. We'll pop this back in the box. Close this up. MD100 microphone, One of the best microphones around. You can say I've tiled better. I'll tell you something. I went 215 countries in 2014 with 100 watts from vk3 and 40 zones in sideband. Came 7th in the world in that category. To give you an idea, I couldn't compete, and that was against people who were outright. Alright. Now lift this up slowly. Come on. Down to the base. Very difficult. Base is here. We're pulling out the base for the microphone. MD100. Microphone, that just drops in the slot. The basic microphone cables as well. Pretty simple. This plugs into the back of the microphone and that plugs into the radio. Alright, I kept it short and sweet, I don't want it to be a long one. Thanks for sharing the experience of unboxing my Yaesu ftdx 5000 limited, MP limited, and look forward to catching you on the air and here for the first video when we fire it up and see how it runs. vk3 Kilo Tango Tango or vk3 MEG. Playing 73s. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.